Hola. Okay, pop quiz here. How would you say it's hot? As in, it's hot here, or the temperature is too high in Spanish? Is it estoy caliente, soy caliente, or is it calor, tengo calor, or hace calor? And if you're thinking, oh, it's all the same, I'm hot, estoy caliente, be very careful because you could be saying something completely and totally inappropriate. Literal translations, they are going to betray you. And I really wish I had someone to walk me through this stuff the right way, especially earlier on. So, in this new series called Real Spanish with Spanish 55, we're actually going to fix that. And I'm here to help you sound way more natural, starting with common expressions that work very differently in Spanish. Stay tuned and let's check out some expressions. The first one we're going to look at is tener hambre, not yo soy hambre. Okay, it's tengo hambre. In English, you say, I'm hungry. But in Spanish, tengo hambre means I have hunger. Yo soy hambre. And well, basically, you're kind of announcing that you've become hunger itself. Okay, try it with me now. Tengo hambre. I'm hungry. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. Tengo frío. I'm cold. Here's a tip. When you're describing something you're feeling in your body, hunger, sleep, fear, heat, or etc., use tener, not ser or estar. Number two, me gusta, not yo gusto esto. No, it's me gusta. The verb gustar, okay, so I used to think it meant to like. And yes, that was it. But there's actually a twist to this. In Spanish, it's not you who likes things. Pay attention now. It's things that are pleasing to you. In English, you say, I like pizza. But in Spanish, it is me gusta la pizza. Pizza is pleasing to me. So say yo gusto la pizza, and you're actually saying you're the pizza's flavor. Qué rico. Okay, here's a tip for you. Why not flip the sentence? Me gusta el café. I like coffee. Me gustan los perros. I like dogs. Let's pause really quick over here. If you're loving this, imagine how much faster you'll learn with a free session here at Spanish55.com. Our coaches will help you dodge all the awkward mistakes. Okay, let's get back to our last phrase, and that is dar miedo. Not yo soy miedo. No, it is me da miedo. In English, you say, I am scared. But in Spanish, me da miedo means it gives me fear. Say, yo soy miedo, and guess what? Congrats. You're now the literal embodiment of fear. Use it like this. Me da miedo las películas de horror. Horror movies scare me. Me dan miedo las arañas. Spiders scare me. Want to go a bit deeper on this? Why don't you go check out the video entitled The Spanish Verb Gustar and how to use it correctly? You can find the link below. It's time to recap. Tener plus the now, not ser, means tengo hambre. Me gusta, not yo gusto, means me gusta el café. Dar miedo, not soy miedo, me da miedo las arañas. So basically, in Spanish, fear is given to you. Lack is something you have. And indifference is something you give back. Huh, interesting, right? I mean, who actually came up with that stuff? That's it for part one of our new series, Real Spanish with Spanish 55. Today, we tackled the verbs tener, gustar, dar, and hacer. And honestly, you're already sounding more natural. Trust me on that one. What's one expression from today that you're gonna try this week? I would like to know. Let me know, please, in the comments below. Or tell me which one you the most when you're actually starting off your journey. Don't forget to like and also subscribe and check out the Conquering Spanish podcast for even more helpful tips, real learner stories, and confident boosts. Nos vemos pronto, amigos. Hasta luego.